What's up, y'all? I'm back with another meal prep edition meal. Super quick, super easy. And today I'm making hot and spicy tacos. I'm just showing you all some of the ingredients that I will be using, including my seasoning. That's the onions that I prepped. And remember, I used half of this ground beef for my chili recipe in my Texas Roadhouse video. So we're going to start off by browning the rest of that ground beef. I know that color looked a little off. It kind of looked like the Krabby Patty when the health inspector came, but yeah, it's still good. It just oxidized. So yeah, saute the ground beef with them onions. And then once that all nice and brown, not 100% brown, but like 90%, I go in with my seasoning because I know it needs to cook a little bit more. So I'm using half of my seasoning pack. But if you're using a full pound of ground beef, of course, taste as you go, I would use the whole thing. So yeah, just stir that on in. I love a good taco night, and ironically, it is Tuesday again right now. So happy Taco Tuesday. I made this last Tuesday, so I'm glad to just drop this recipe today. Now, my secret to making this taste so good, this taco may taste good, is adding cilantro at the end. And I also added a little bit of water in there too after I put that seasoning in. Y'all know how to do it. So then I have some lettuce, some shredded cheese, tomato, more cilantro, onions, some vegan sour cream. I want to show y'all the consistency. But yeah, it's kind of like the loosens of Chipotle sour cream, so I liked it. So this is also a way how I'm making it hot and spicy. I just seen these taco shells today, both of them. I did not try the carb advantage yet, but I was excited to see they had low carb hard shell tacos. So I don't know if y'all knew about it, but just wanted to let y'all know that it's available. Put in the comments below if you used to have the volcano tacos at Taco Bell. That's what I hoping that these shells were, but they were just more so like the hot taco sauce per se. But yeah, also put in the comment, which plate are you going for? Which style do you like? The toppings down below and the cheese covering it on top, or the cheese down below and the toppings covering it on top? Let me know. And also, if you try this recipe, give me a comment as well. Another pro tip, you can add some jardinera peppers to really elevate that spice. Thanks for watching.